my name is Jialing. I'm from the Commercial Affairs of Singapore. In fact, I'm from the Financial Intelligence Unit, or the Suspicious Transaction Reporting Office. Okay, STRO. And throughout my talk, I'll refer to STRO for short, or STRO. And what the ICPS has prepared for you, if you look at it in your brochure, is a series of 3 documents, or rather 3 brochures. The one that I'd like you to take a look at or take note of is this small little A4 size booklet. Okay, what we try to do is to consolidate the 300-page mutual evaluation report of Singapore's money laundering regime into this 16-page book. So if you do not have time to read the 300-page report on Singapore, on our entire money laundering regime, do take a look at this 16-page report 16-page booklet that we have prepared for you. It gives you an outline of what's the regime in Singapore to combat money laundering. Okay, understand that you already have a very comprehensive set of guidance notes in SAP 19, which includes a lot of indicators on how to detect suspicious transactions. So I will not go into each and every suspicious transaction, but I'll like you, but after you go back after my talk, to take a look at Appendix E of SAP 19. And that's where you have a 2 to 3 page long of suspicious indicators. Nevertheless, I'll still cover suspicious indicators in my talk today. Why? Because I want you to sensitize yourself as to what is suspicious, and then perhaps give you some case studies so you can have these indicators built into yourself and you'll be useful for your work, rather than looking at a 3-page, 2-dimensional Appendix E, okay? Without further ado, let me go to my talk. I'm going to split my talk into 3 sections. Why file suspicious transaction reports, STRs for short. I'll also use this acronym very widely throughout my talk. When to file it, that is when what type of patterns you encounter in your work, in your profession. And I'll give you 4 case studies just to have a refresher on how exactly it happens, as well as how do you file your STRs, okay? And what happens after